Hi, this is Federico Barnabè and I'm presenting this work in progress titled Circular Economy as an Aid for Small-Sized Companies in Times of COVID. As you can see from the title, I'm going to tell you something about an exploratory case study we are dealing with. So the main concept that we are focusing on is a circular economy. Circular economy is definitely acquiring relevance across the world and in various industries. Yet it is not clear if it is a real opportunity or if it is at all an opportunity for our companies, especially if we talk about small and medium enterprises. The main ideas and principles entailed by a circular economy are quite clear. We advocate a shift from a linear take-make-waste system to a circular one. The circular system should support us in retaining value from products, parts, materials, and also eliminating waste. And the more modern concept of a circular economy also entails to move backward along the production line. So starting from the beginning in terms of redesigning, rethinking our products and way of producing and using products and widgets. For us as a system dynamics scholars, this opens up a great opportunity, since one of the biggest challenges is actually to represent the feedback structures underlying a circular economy system. So feedback processes alongside the delays, nonlinearities, the stock and flows and causal relationships which are active within the systems are the building blocks. So if the literature already provides several frameworks aimed at representing these systems, we can add a lot more, not only in the process of the mapping stage of the study, but also to gain policy insights. We are doing that with a single exploratory case study for a company from the agri-food sector, adopting an action research perspective, so we are active in the process. The process is structured through several meetings in which we are carrying out interactive participatory modeling, and we are relying on the 6R framework, 6 R's of the circular economy framework. 6R stands basically for the actions: reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, redesign, and reproduce. We are developing a comprehensive stock and flow diagram, and we are adding pieces over pieces right now. What we are looking at is that most of the literature underlines that a circular economy system usually is a system massively governed by negative material related and short loops. So it is focused on reducing the usage rate of specific materials or recycling stuff from the end of the process. But there is something more. So our question is, what else can be done in this process? And we are actually advocating for sustainable growth within this system. We are doing that in a very peculiar period, the pandemic COVID period, but these actually provided a lot of ideas and opportunities for discussion and to uncover policy insights which are definitely valuable. The framework that we are using basically started from explaining how linear-oriented economy works, from the acquisition of raw materials to the disposal of waste, and adding the feedback loops which are typical of a circular economy, the 6 R's as I mentioned previously. But then we turn to stock and flow diagramming, and we added pieces through the participatory modeling meetings. We started from the resources, where the inflows and outflows. We started closing loops, and we are in the process of discussing the kinds of these loops and their results and their consequences. So we will move on, adding pieces to this part of the process, and it is promising. Any kind of question and comment is, of course, welcome. Thanks a lot for your attention.